So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So from the last eating video that I did, in that video I was eating ogbono soup with fufu. So people requested that I do more of eating video, and that was my first eating video. I think I have about 9,000 something view on that video, which is amazing. So people requested that I do more eating video. So here I am again with another eating video. So today I have yam, right? And I have egg. If you're from Nigeria, you'll be familiar with this egg sauce. We make it a lot when we eat yam. So I am going to put the egg sauce on the plate, right? So that is the yam and the egg sauce. I'll leave this here. So that is the yam and the egg sauce. And the sauce smells so good and it tastes so delish. So here I have red oil. So this is palm oil. If you're from the Igbo side of Nigeria, you know that when you're eating yam, this is a must. The red oil is a must. So I am going to add salt in this red oil because you eat it with raw salt. So I'm going to add enough salt that I can taste the salt when I'm eating it. So here you are, my red oil, and let this food eating begin. I'm going to take my yam. I'm gonna try the egg sauce first because I want to see how the egg sauce tastes. But I like eating my yam with red oil. In my fufu video that I did, people were complaining that I don't chew the food. In my country and in my language, they call that food swallow. Swallow means you swallow, you don't chew. So I grew up swallowing the food. That is how I eat it, and that is how we eat it in my own side of the country where I grew up. That is how my mother eat it, my grandmother, my father, everybody in my family eats it like that. It's a swallow. You dip the soup, you swallow, and you taste the soup while you're swallowing. But yam, you chew. So that's why I'm chewing the yam. You chew yam. You don't just swallow yam, you chew yam. So mix it very well to get the taste of the salt. I'll add a little more salt. And my father and my granddad, they eat this salt, but they add, you know, the tiny chili pepper. You know, the one we grow in Nigeria, that spicy one. They add it in the oil while they're eating it as well. And if you're not from Nigeria, you also know the ogili. Ogili. They add it in as well. Girl, that is another story altogether. I need to get myself a glass of water. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my god. That is a big burp. This egg sauce, oh my god, is delicious. If you want me to show you how I make this egg sauce, leave a comment below, girl. So because of the cold weather, my red oil is sleeping again. It's getting blocked again. Yeah. So guys, this is where today's eating video is going to end because I am so full. I am so full. Oh. I left 2 yam because I have had enough, and I finished all my egg sauce because that egg sauce was delicious. Still have a bit of my red oil. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please leave a comment below and ask me to make some more of this kind of video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.